Everything starts here. Their life, their hopes, their dreams, their future. And together, we will take care of their well-being, their quality of life, their health, throughout their entire lifetime. Together, we can change our world to make it healthier, smarter, more enjoyable, and create a better tomorrow for them, for you, for everybody. As a recognized leading innovation and technology company, we're committed to support our customers in designing better solutions for medical devices and pharmaceuticals. And together, you and Siemens, we can improve our lives. Because Siemens is your key partner to digitalize and optimize your company with the most advanced design, simulation, process and product management tools to boost efficiency and productivity. Our proven, flexible solutions help you speed up innovation, ensure quality and safety, reduce costs and adapt your business to the ever-changing global and local regulations. Let's create that better world today for a better tomorrow. Together. Siemens.